decorative reverse panel.
Mag-set muna ng MDF board at original CNC router. Make sure na pantay yung pagkakalat at ng MDF board. Para sa alaman ng lahat, panoorin ang video link sa baba.
After natin mag-AutoCAD and mag-ArtCam, so ito na yung final application that we need to use. Yan. As you can see, nasa 77% na tayo ng ating panel. Ang tawag dito ay CNC Router App or BGM Tech Router App. So this is MDF board, 18 mm. So this is very helpful to finish the MDF product or MDF decorative partition. Then, yun nga, mas less in yung cost. So as you can see, after the final cut, yan, nagkakaroon na siya ng fine edges, yan, or smooth yung pagkakat. Unlike kapag ginamit natin yung mga manual router, may instances na yung pagkakat natin ay hindi masyadong fine yung mga edges. So with the help of this machine, mas napapadali natin yung pagkat, mas fine pa. Thank you.